Best mechanical keyboards improve typing speed, accuracy, and comfort with tactile feedback, durability, and customizable switches for a superior typing experience. My today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboards for typing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SteelSeries 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard delivers a compelling blend of performance and style, especially for users who enjoy tactile feedback without going fully mechanical. The hybrid blue switches strike a satisfying balance, offering that signature clicky response while maintaining a smoother keystroke, making long typing or gaming sessions more enjoyable. With a lifespan of 20 million key presses, durability is clearly a priority. One standout feature is the OLED Smart Display, which adds a layer of personalization rarely seen in this range. Whether it's GIFs, Discord notifications, or in-game stats, it enhances both functionality and aesthetics. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame reinforces its premium build, ensuring long-term sturdiness. Per-key RGB lighting is vibrant and highly customizable, perfect for users who love immersive setups. The magnetic wrist rest adds meaningful comfort, supporting extended use without fatigue. Combined with its spacious size, this keyboard is a solid choice for gamers and typists seeking durability, customization, and comfort in one package. Now our second product is RK Royal Kluge S98 Mechanical Keyboard. This compact mechanical keyboard packs impressive functionality into a sleek, modern design. The small smart display is surprisingly versatile, showing everything from custom GIFs to battery status and connection modes, adding both personality and practicality. The integrated knob is a standout feature, making quick adjustments to volume, lighting, or connectivity effortless with a simple twist or click. Connectivity is highly flexible with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired options, ensuring stable performance across devices. The top-mount design enhances typing consistency while delivering a firm, satisfying feel that gamers and typists will appreciate. What truly elevates this keyboard is its acoustic engineering. Multiple sound-absorbing layers significantly reduce noise and hollow echo, producing a clean, funky sound profile. The hot-swappable PCB invites customization without soldering, perfect for enthusiasts. Paired with durable double-shot PBT keycaps, this keyboard offers long-lasting comfort, sound quality, and personalization in a compact form. Our third product is Razer Huntsman V3 Pro 8 kHz esports gaming keyboard. The Razer keyboard pushes competitive performance to another level with its Gen 2 analog optical switches. With adjustable actuation from 0.1 to 4.0 mm and rapid trigger support, it delivers unmatched precision and lightning-fast repeated inputs, ideal for high-level FPS gameplay. The 100 million keystroke lifespan further reinforces its premium durability. Razer SnapTap is a game-changer, allowing instant directional changes without releasing previous inputs, giving players a clear edge in fast-paced scenarios. The true 8000 Hz hyperpolling rate ensures ultra-low latency, making every action feel immediate and responsive. Onboard controls are intuitive, with LED-assisted adjustments and a multifunction dial for quick customization without software. The typing experience is equally refined. Lubricated switches and sound-dampening foam create a smooth, clean acoustic profile. Combined with textured PBT keycaps and a magnetic leatherette wrist rest, this keyboard balances elite gaming performance with long-lasting comfort and build quality. Now number 4, Yunzi B75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The B75 Pro stands out as a versatile 75 mechanical keyboard that perfectly balances compact design and full functionality. With 82 keys, it retains essential number, function, and arrow keys while saving desk space. The multifunction knob adds real convenience, allowing quick control over volume and RGB lighting, and seamless switching between gaming and office modes. Its gasket-mounted structure, combined with 5-layer sound dampening, delivers a premium creamy typing experience. Preloop switches, tune stabilizers, and double-shot keycaps enhance both feel and durability, making every keystroke smooth and satisfying. Tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and wired, ensures flexibility across devices, while the large 4000 mAh battery supports long uninterrupted sessions. The hot swappable PCB is ideal for customization enthusiasts, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches without soldering. With 20 plus RGB modes, programmable keys, and wide compatibility with Windows and macOS, the B75 Pro is a feature-rich keyboard that excels in performance, comfort, and personalization. And our last choice is Asus Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Asus ROG keyboard delivers an impressive blend of compact design and full functionality. Despite its near TKL footprint, it cleverly integrates a number pad, making it ideal for users who want efficiency without sacrificing workspace. The tri-mode connectivity is a major strength: Bluetooth for multi-device pairing, ultra-fast 2.4 GHz wireless with Speed Nova for gaming, and USB for stable wired use, all backed by exceptional battery life. Typing feels refined thanks to sound-dampening foam and pre-lubed switches, producing clean, satisfying acoustics. Whether you choose the smooth NX Snow or clicky NX Storm switches, both offer excellent responsiveness and durability. The multifunction wheel and dedicated hotkeys enhance productivity and streaming control, while full macro programmability adds deep customization. Ergonomically, adjustable tilt angles and a detachable wrist rest ensure long session comfort. With premium accessories included, this keyboard stands out as a versatile, high-performance option for gaming, work, and content creation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.